In today's episode, Chef Yossel Backman will show us how to make his delicious Passover-inspired Matzo Brei.
Super sweet, golden brown, delicious, crunchy, delicious. Hi, welcome back to the Prairie Street Culinary Kitchen. I am your chef today, Chef Yossel Backman, and we are making a super simple, traditional Passover-inspired Matzo Brei. As we all know, right around the corner is Passover, some of our favorite holidays, definitely mine. My birthday is right after it. Throughout Passover, we do not eat any bread, any crackers, any grains of any sort. So we eat this matzah, which is just made out of flour and water. That is it. Now, one of my favorite things to do with matzah is to make Matzo Brei. We've all heard of it. It is delicious. And there are many different customs over Passover. When do you eat matzah? The first 7 days, all 8 days. There's lots of different opinions, but nonetheless, we all love some good Matzo Brei. So we're gonna jump right in. So step one here, we're gonna take our matzah and break it up into some smaller pieces. This is a great job to give to your kids. Leave yourself some big pieces because we are gonna cover it with some water. So if you make it into like a powder almost, like very, very fine, it's gonna fall apart and becomes like a real mush. If you keep it like this, you still get some nice texture when you fry it up. So this is exactly what we're looking for. And now we're just gonna go in with our water. So you just wanna fully submerge the matzah in the water, and you're just looking to soften it up just a little bit. So very, very, very quick. You're looking about a minute and a half, not too long. Now I'm gonna step off and drain it. Matzah is drained. And we are gonna go in with our eggs. I just have 3 eggs here. Get your hands in there, mix it up. Matzah is soggy, eggs are in. Now we're just gonna season it. And now I'm gonna bring you to the stove and we're gonna fry up some Matzo Brei. We are at the stove. Let's get this Matzo Brei cooking. So, Matzo Brei is in and out of the pan real fast. So we want to get that pan pretty hot. We're going to start with some avocado oil. Pro tip here, don't use extra virgin olive oil, smoke point. We're going high heat, so you want to use a neutral oil with a high smoke point. That way you don't smoke up your whole kitchen. So avocado oil going in. Okay. You can hear that sizzle, that means your pan is hot. Mix it up a little bit and then let it sit just for like a minute just to fry and get some color and get some texture. And then you're done. So we are a couple minutes into the frying here. You can see the ends of the matzah are starting to get golden brown. They are looking very good. You can see they're starting to get crispy. What I like to do at this point is go in with a heavy sprinkling of sugar and cinnamon. And this really just helps caramelize it and really just gets nice and golden brown. Just mix that up a bit. And that is it. We are done. It is brown, looks good, it smells good, it's really sweet. And that is what Matzo Brei is all about. So we're just gonna go ahead, turn off the fire here. And we're gonna go right over. And the only way to finish off a good Matzo Brei, lots of cinnamon and sugar. Super sweet, golden brown, delicious, crunchy. Delicious. Thank you so much for joining me today in the kitchen. New recipes every single Sunday on the Prairie Street YouTube channel. Go to the website, buy the meat, find more recipes, more dishes, more content, all great stuff. Every good dish starts with a great product. So definitely check out Prairie Street.
Subscribe to our channel now and set your notifications so you don't miss our latest recipes and chef-led tutorials. Then head over to prairiestreet.co to shop for your next big meal.